Okay. Okay, come. Let me sweep the floor. Come and help me here. There. Hold on to this. There are a lot of whiskies pool around. I can't see any. I don't know. Remember, he went under the bed last night. We have to search under the bed. I can't reach.
How about you try Ruthie in a better way?
Yeah. How about you try to help me? Yeah, you can. I don't need to hold this. Ooh! I can see mosquito flying around. Okay, let's see whether there's any. Ah, no, not good enough. I can't reach still. Careful, don't use your legs, you know? You might hurt your leg. Okay, I think that's fine. Ooh, I can see something. Ah, see? Ugh. Ugh. Hang on. Okay, Trevor, why don't you guys sweep it up?
Wait, could
You can see what's on the floor.
you help me move the bed, please?
Ugh, there are bugs on the floor.
Could you help me move the bed?
I think you can do it. You find a way to do it. You have to find a way to do it. Yeah, I think that, yeah. Any whiskies pool inside?
No.
Sorry. Oh. Okay. Now you have to find a way to get that up, clean up. Eh, hang on. But then there's still some more over there, no? No, I mean some more behind the wall. Right? Am I right? Okay. Come, let's try this together.
Wait, hold on.
Oh. Hey, what is that over there? What is that thing?
Mean the brown thing?
Yeah.
I have no idea. It's a beetle!
Do you have to scream? Hmm? Huh, Trevor? Was that necessary?
Sorry. Oh, I found this.
Eh. Okay, can continue to sweep. That's good. Oh, now you have to solve that. A lot more to go. I think I see some more over this side. Oh yeah, some more over this side. Come, let me do it. Charlotte, you help me with this, okay? It'll be easier. Can you watch? It'll be easier if you do short movements like that. Okay. See some hair coming around. Huh? Oh, see what I mean? Ah, see what oh, better catch it. Okay, come. Okay, now we have to get rid of this before it topples over again. Okay, alright. Okay, let's look at this.